First we solve this multiplication. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1, 6 divided by 3 gives us 2, 1 times 2 equals 2, and 12 divided by 2 equals 6. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a division and a multiplication operator present. According to the rules, multiplication and division have equal level of priority, but we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first, because that's on the left side. A number is getting divided by a fraction here. What we can do is we can use KCF rule to simplify it. Keep means we keep 12 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication. And flip means we flip the fraction 1 over 3 as 3 over 1. And then we have times 6 present from the original expression. This 3 over 1 can be written as just 3. Our expression simplifies to 12 times 3 times 6. 12 times 3 equals 36, and 36 times 6 equals 216, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.